Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on XVG. On a 7 day time frame chart, you can see that the price of XVG is moving inside a huge broadening rising wedge pattern since after the month of August 2022. Before that, it was moving inside this wedge. We broke out the wedge, and so far, from this low to this high, the price on XVG has rallied more than 1,382%, but could not break out this long-term resistance zone that starts from 1.7 and goes to 2.1 cents. By the way, while moving inside this wedge, you can see that it is forming higher highs and higher lows. And here we had a fake out from the wedge, and the price then re-entered the wedge after getting bounced from the support of this previous falling wedge pattern. It has re-entered this broadening rising wedge pattern. Now, recently it is once again bounced from the support of the wedge, but could not break out this key resistance zone. That's out from $0.008985 and goes to approximately at 1 cent. And you can see that for the past several weeks or months, it is acting as a resistance. Before that, it was breaking at the point of rejection here and support down here. And in today's video, I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for XVG that I shared a few days ago on 9th of October 2025 with my members. And so far, this signal has produced almost a more than 32% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe, and then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the trading signal report for the previous month of September 2025 in the video's description. You can also visit that report as well. Now let's start analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for XVG that I shared on 9th of October 2025. And that was a bullish garlic move that XVG completed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And you can see that after the completion of the fine leg, it was slightly pumped. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for the price line to re-enter the buying zone after some price correction. And this was a complete trade setup, by the way. A buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line again re-entered the buying zone here. Then we had a nice reversal and it pumped beyond the sell target line. This was almost 32% pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of XVG. And here you can see that since after the month of August 2022, it is moving inside this broadening rising wedge pattern. And for example, if the price line hits the resistance of the wedge this time, like it is doing every time, despite this one, because this time it was rejected by this long-term resistance on from from 1.7 to 2.1 cents. Then this time, I'm expecting that after this rise, it can hit this resistance of the broadening rising wedge pattern somewhere here, approximately at 5 cents or very close to 6 cents, by the way. And the long-term target for the breakout in this huge falling wedge pattern is, by the way, here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between 8 cents to 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.